This is a golden oak place. How many rooms has it got, Dan? Is it 3?
I think it's 3, yeah.
I think it's a 3-bed. Let's have a look around now, though. So, where are we? What's in here?
So this is like a utility cupboard.
Oh, lovely. There's
All the cleaning stuff.
Take Henry. See?
Do cleaning stuff.
It's got an air dryer, but we haven't got a washing machine. That sofa looks quite comfy, doesn't it? Big TV. Oh, it's really nice. This kitchen is bigger than the kitchen at home. That angers me. Oh, I thought it was meant to come with fire. Not with fire, with logs. But in here. By the way, I haven't walked through this yet because I've literally been back and forth with the car.
This is the first look.
Cool. Look at all the things we have. Oven, hob. Is this dishwasher?
Yeah. Ooh. Fridge, microwave.
Oh, you've unpacked already.
Loads of food.
Where's the dishwasher tablets? Over there?
No, no, don't worry.
Oh, that's so fun. We're not going to use this dining table, are we?
No.
No.
Outside is a nice seating area. That's our view.
It'd be nice if it wasn't pouring down with rain. We've also got a barbecue that's hidden away.
And then, of course, there's the hot tub. So you can sit there and look out onto the lock there. Nice.
While those people there watch you sitting here.
Who hopefully aren't in, so.
Yeah, hopefully not.
There's the wood burner, as Georgie mentioned.
Well, I don't know, because it has got some wood in it. Ooh. I guess, is that what you need?
But we'll find out. Yeah. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. So, big TV.
And look, they even Scrabble there. Welcome. There's 2 games there as well to play.
Oh my god, it's huge.
So this is the first bathroom. Nice bath.
These light up mirrors as well. Or am I just going to look like a fool? Doesn't work.
Some toiletries.
I can't wait to have a bath.
Into the room opposite.
Into this one.
No, this is all new to me. I haven't seen around these.
What was a twin?
So 2 singles. Nice window there.
What the bed's like?
Foresty view.
Quite comfy actually. More better than the bed we had last night in the county.
Towels included. It's very warm in there.
I like the high ceilings. Ooh, we've got the same again, Dan. Got the other way round.
Number 2.
I like that you can store your suitcases underneath the bed.
Yeah, loads of space. Very similar.
And is this the master, I'm assuming? You can sleep in one of those though, I don't know. Ooh, oh god, it's huge. That feels a bit dirty. What's on there? I don't know. Oh, we have a room.
So there's the master double, which I think is a king. I'll just do a spin.
Oh, you get a Forest Holidays robe and everything and some slippers. Got that called.
Got a little makeup area there.
Big window.
Georgie gets out of the way.
Sorry.
Big window looking out into the other person's
And another 8 ensuite.
dryer. And finally,
Ooh, these towel rails are boiling.
another ensuite.
Behind the door is a shower, I think.
This time with a nice shower. Nice
That's
big
quite
shower.
big actually, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's settle in.
Yeah. I'm so cold. I need to warm up. Let's light the fire. you.